Good morning children, I am Preeti Kumar. Welcome to the online computer class. Before we start, let us close our eyes and observe 2 minute silence to pray for the peace within and outside and also pray for everyone's well-being. Okay children, let's begin. As you know, our computer chapters, first chapter is a computer, a storage and memory devices. Today's our topic is external memory. So let us see what is external memory. It is used to store information for a longer period. Data is not lost in external memory even when the computer is turned off, because the internal memory of computer has a limited storage capacity. It is also called the secondary memory. Hard disk. Hard disk, it is the main storage medium for computers. It is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can hold a large amount of data. Hard disk can store up to 8 TB of data. Nowadays, external hard disks are also available, which are small in size and can be carried anywhere. CD. CD stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage device. A CD is a thin circular disc that can store up to 700 MB of data and measures 4.7 inches in diameter. A CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos. It can be used for data backup and holding software. DVD. The full form of DVD, digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is an optical storage device used for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. The storage capacity varies from 4.7 to 17 GB. Blu-ray disc. It is a new optical format that can store up to 128 GB of data. This disc is mainly used for storing high quality sound, games and movie data. The name Blu-ray disc is derived from the blue-violet laser that is used to read and write data on it. Flash drive. It is popularly known as pen drive and the most popular data backup device. It is a plug and play device and can be connected to the USB port. Its name is Universal Serial Bus. It is a small, lightweight and removable drive. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. A flash disk can store up to 2 TB of data. Then next is memory card. A memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital cameras and music players. It can be easily removed for access by a computer. These devices transfer images and music files into a computer by using memory card reader that can be connected to a computer through a USB cable. Multimedia card. A memory multimedia card is small in size, approximately the size of postage stamp. Multimedia cards are available in various storage capacities ranging up to 512 GB. So let's children, we have reached to the end of today's slide, and all of you have come to understand what are these secondary storage devices to store our data. Thanks everyone. Dear students, as we have reached towards the end today's class, so now let us observe 2 minutes silence for the peace within and outside and for everyone's well-being.